Hi friends, you're watching Boldsky. I am your host Preeti. Lips can usually get chapped, redden and even can peel. But we all are concerned about our lips. Our lips should be pink and soft. But at the same time we are confused which lip care or lip balm we should use. Today I am going to teach you how to prepare your own lip balm or lip care at your home using natural ingredients. So come, let's watch that. The ingredients which we require to prepare the lip balm are beetroot, Vaseline, vitamin E capsules and coconut oil. Take a beetroot. Take off the beetroot's skin. Then, with the help of a grater, grate the beetroot and take out the beetroot juice from the beetroot extract. Store it in a bowl. Now take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline into it and 1 tablespoon of beetroot juice into it. Add half tablespoon of coconut oil and 3 vitamin E capsules into it. Mix the ingredients well until you get a consistent paste. Now you can transfer the mixture into lip balm container. You have to store this in freezer for 6 to 7 hours. So you watched how to prepare this lip balm at home using natural ingredients. You have to keep this in the freezer for 8 to 9 hours so that it will be freezed as like original lip balm. And it is very important to know why we have used all these ingredients to prepare the lip balm. Beetroot is already red in color and it helps to lighten the dark pigmentation on the skin. Vitamin E capsules helps to heal the chapped lips. Coconut oil helps in the moisturization of the lips and Vaseline acts as a protective layer over the lips. So please like the video and share the video as well and share your experience in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you all.